What's up, guys? We're back out on the Razor. We killed it completely after the mega ride. It's now Saturday night. It's like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. We're doing a little stunt ride. I'm gonna run out of damn battery again. Yeah, I don't know how much I'll wheelie because I'm fucking at 82 volts already. I just didn't get to top off, so pulling up to the meetup spot again. Killing the battery, baby.
Up that bumper up! Hell yeah! Fuck yeah, dude!
Woo! Almost looped. Evidently, there's now a quad in the pack. This guy was literally just randomly wheeling here. The quad in the traffic. Got back again. Big Ty killing the wheelies now. Oh, we got the ops up here. Bro's got such a big backpack on. That's got to be so heavy. Bro, how heavy is that backpack?
Pretty heavy.
It looks pretty heavy.
I'm carrying everything for the group.
What a good guy.
There's a bunch of water.
That's nice. And you're still wheeling though, too.
Trying my best.
This is a fast ride. Oh, I was wondering what I heard earlier. It's those scrape things on his shoes. Quad at a standstill. Kicked it. Oh, he stalled. It's all that fender kick.
Oh, yeah.
Downtown Austin, Texas. Everyone's out at the bars right now. Damn, it sounds popping in there. This is so wild. Oh, firecrackers.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Control spot!
These rear pads are going to be done literally one day. It's all good though. This is such a bad idea. Man. This was so dumb. Oh, those poles scared me. Hey, Styles in the building. On the loaner. That's a hell of a loaner though. My shins hurt from these, dude. We got him though. Swerve a cone. Swerve again. Swerve again. This one's a little easy, you know. He just kicked it. Honestly, the streets over here are pretty dead. Like, there's not really anyone out. My swerves are getting better for sure. Getting a lot better at turning now. Woo! Drop back. I think we're going to where all the bars are. Woo! Oh shit, this is literally a BMX track here. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, dude. Oh my god. Jesus. He got Logan on it. Should I try and hit this little jump? No shot. Cased it too. Oh my god.
Yeah, bro, you got it. Let's go. Oh my god. Hey, what song are you listening to? Probably listening to Taylor Swift. Hey, what song are you listening to? Sorry. I'm sorry, I'm drunk. Oh, what did I start?
Dude, what the?
He asked if he could get through, and I was like, no, there's a code.
This is so ridiculous.
Gotta turn around. There's a code. It's fresh concrete. It's fresh concrete. What's your name again?
Connor.
Let's do a pass ride. You ride this one, I'll ride that for a little bit.
All right. Hold up.
I only want to ride it for like a block.
All right.
She's live and quirky as hell.
Yep. Hold up. Take it. Now.
Dude, I fucking love this shit. Dude, let's straight.
I don't wheelie Surrons, man. I don't know how this feels. I'm a worm on this.
Bro, I love this shit.
There's a comfy ass seat on this thing. He got the 12 bar and all. Surge Stunts. This is Nico.
Bro, this is so much fun.
I know, bro. It's like a 110, but way lighter, bro.
How much range do you get out of something like this?
Like 30, 40 miles.
I want more.
Dude, I run it high. I run it like 38, yeah. So I can circle it, yeah. You love the bike, bro.
Yeah. Oh, flapping. What is it clicking every time you...
It's a freewheel.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah. Some people weld them, but.
I love it. Bike.
Woo, this is insane. Oh, watch out. Everyone has their wheels up. Oh. Woo. Woo. Yeah, this ride is absolutely insane. Can barely speak anymore. But look at this. We're coming up on what I assume is the Capitol, and this skyline is sick. Wild. Oh, your chain came off. Roll back, roll back, roll back. All right, you're good. There we go. Oh, that shit's loose. There's Hunter O. Sully's a wild man. Dude, there's all these self-driving cars here. Look at him. Oh, it's too good. Look at him, bro. It is popping down here. So much traffic. Woo! This must be 6th Street? Let me see. No, 7th Street. Basically 6th. I feel like all of the streets probably... Yeah, that's 6th Street. There's something. I don't know. I don't know, Austin, bro. I'm just trying to talk. Oh, Sully's got the cone out. Still got the quad in the pack somehow. Yeah, that's a good way to store it. Shove it up your...
Grab it for me. Help me get it up on my seat. The cone right here. Help me get it up there. Thank you.
Now you're gonna do the pump. Everyone is obsessed with the damn cone. Woo, the C8.
This is a sick route.
In sync. Dude. Bubbles. Take it easy. Yo, do a wheelie. Bring it up. Wheelie. I can't even wheelie. In typical Connor G fashion, my GoPro died, but that will wrap up all the Austin, Texas videos. So sick going out to the mega ride. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I will catch you next time, though. Peace.